Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take notes and manage your lists on the Google Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings icon in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to the features section and tap on Google Assistant. Now you should tap on this manage all assistant settings option down below. Scroll down to the all settings section and scroll down till you find the notes and lists option in the middle of the screen. As you can see, this page provides you with the possibility to create to-do lists or simple lists. As you can see, there is this your notes and lists section, so click on it, and at this page you are ready to add your lists or notes by tapping on this plus icon down below. Here tap on this page icon, and here you should add your title and then type in your notes, whatever you feel like to do so. If you want to go back to the previous page, just simply tap on this arrow pointing to the left direction. Here you can see all your notes. If you go back, you can also create like these to-do lists. Here you also need to type in your title, and then you can list items like going to the gym. As you can see, you have created a to-do list item, and there is a checkmark box next to it that you can tap on it, thereby ticking this one item, meaning that you have finished this exercise. Doing this exercise, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.